Good morning, dear students. Greetings of the day. So we have discussed in our first lecture about the different movements. Main two movements of the Earth are rotation and the revolution. Okay, and with the help of the globe, I have explained. Okay, the globe is the representation of the Earth. About this one is the North Pole, this one is the South Pole, and axis of the Earth. It is invisible. You are not able to see it with your own eyes, with your naked eyes. You have to imagine. It is tilted. Okay, on this axis from west to east, from west to east, from west to east, Earth is moving. Spinning means to movement. Last time, then rotation, what does it mean? On page number 17, chapter number 3, page number 17. The spinning movement of the Earth on its course axis is called rotation. You can see it here. Earth spins on its own axis, imaginary axis. It is here. So you can see it. Okay, imaginary axis. On his axis, the Earth spin from west to east directions. Okay, and because of this effect of rotation, and I have shown you videos, day and night occurs because of this rotation of the Earth. The sun rays are slanting, and these area remain light. Light will be here. The sun rays directly fall on this area, and this part in the dark, night, black part. Other part remains away from the sun. So the part that faces the sun receive sunlight. So here this is the sun, and this part, okay, you can say it here with the help of, suppose this is the sun, and this is the sun, and these parts of the area receive more sunlight, and this one is known as the day. Another part is in the darkening. Which part will be remain in the dark? This part, because sun is here, so this part is not receiving the sunlight. Okay, the sun seems to rise from the east. This is the reason why places in the east get exposed. Okay, rotation. I am going to share the screen so you will better understand. On the screen, you will able to see it. Okay, rotation and revolution of the Earth. Rotation. The Earth rotates on its own axis. See, here I am going to show you the pictures how day and night happen. Day and night. All are requested to sit properly. Okay, on your screen right now, you can see it. The Earth, it is here. Some of the pictures before explanation, I want to show you the pictures of the rotation of the Earth. You can see the Earth rotates on its own axis. Okay, and this is the sun. I am going to draw it so you will better understand. So this one is the sun. You can see it. Sun rays I am going to draw it. Directly fall on these areas. Okay, this part receive the sunlight. You can see it. So this area consider as day. It is day. It is here in this part. Okay, this part, my dear student, it is remain the light. That is why it is will be day here, and the dark part it is also there. Is the dark part. Okay, I am going to show you. This one is the dark part. Sunlight it is not there, and that is why it is known as night. Okay, night, day and night, because of this rotation of the earth. Okay, spinning of the earth. It is called the rotation. This is the reason why places in the east get exposed to the sun first. Okay, whichever the countries are there on the east side, not in the west, they face the sun first. Okay, can see it here. This, whoever the countries are there, continents, different places, cities, they face sun first. Here, some of you may friends or relatives in other countries and found it was night. If your relatives are there in China, Japan, in some of the countries of the eastern countries, if you are talking with them, so they are ahead of us more than 10 hours, 12 hours ahead than us. But if you are talking with your friends, those who are living in USA, Canada, they are behind us 12 hours back than us. It is because of, it is due to the rotation of the earth. The earth rotates on its own axis. Because of this, the rotation of the earth, day and night occurs, happen. Okay. Now you know how this happened, about the rotation of the earth. Some of the pictures that I am going to show you, so you will better understand. Okay, rotation of the earth. See, some of the information, extra information that I am going to give you. Earth rotation on your screen. Movements, it is also known as the motions of the earth. Okay, motions of the earth. Rotation is the spinning of the earth on its axis. The time for one rotation is 24 hours, 1 day. 1 day complete. You can see it. Sun is there, dark part it is there, day and night. They have explained it is here. You can see it. Day and night, this part receive the sunlight, directly sunlight from the sun. That is why it is the day it is here, and this part remain same. The countries which is there in this area, they face night, and countries, places which is situated in this area, they will face day. Okay, so day and night are the result of the rotation of the earth. So earth rotates on its own axis. Some of the more pictures will give you more explanation about the rotation of the earth. Movements of the earth, motions of the earth. You can see it here. Okay. See, sun is here, sun, and the sun rays are falling here in these areas. Okay, and night it is here. I hope that you are understanding what we are discussing right now. Okay, day and night explanation about the rotation. one more pitch that we are going to explain now. Rotation. Movements of the earth, okay? Motions of the earth. Motions of the earth. Can say it. The earth is moving in such a way. Okay? Earth is moving in such a way. You can say it. Earth is moving from here around the sun. Northern hemisphere, from around the sun. The sun is moving. The earth is moving around the sun. And also moves, also rotates on its own axis. Okay? One more pictures that I am going to show you. Rotation. Here in this picture also. Okay, Hardik Patel, good morning. Will you explain about this picture? How the day and night occurs? Hardik, wake up.
Yes, sir.
Yes, explain on your screen.
Yes.
Explain in your words.
The Earth is rotate in Earth rotate in 24 hours one time, day and night. Earth rotates on its axis. Earth is Earth is
Nandita, explain. Nandita, explain.
What, sir?
About this picture, about the rotation, about the day and night.
The sun rays go in the earth's surface, there is day, and the other surface which cannot receive sunlight, that has night.
Very good. Okay, I hope that you are understanding about the rotation of the earth. Okay, the rotation of the earth. I hope that you are getting what we are discussing. Some of the more pictures that I am going to show you, so it will help you to understand the concept of the rotation. Okay. And don't worry, I am going to show you the video as well, so you will better understand. Okay. Some of the pictures are there. See here also. Earth rotation. This is the revolution, the second motion of the earth, second movement of the earth. Okay, rotation, can say it. Rotation means when earth moves on its own axis. And because of this rotation, day and night occurs. Because of the rotation, day and night occurs. And earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation on its own axis. on its axis. That is why rotation day and night occurs. Okay, from west from west to east, the Earth rotates. Okay, I hope that your students are getting the concept of the rotation. Okay. Now again I am going to show you some of the videos that will help you, and I hope that you understood the rotation, the concept of the rotation. Okay.